I'm Susan. I hope everyone's doing great. And today I am participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2. This is the first week, hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. She has a 50 Stack Challenge that it's almost at the end right now, and I participated in that. And that's using guest checks, and it's been so much fun. I've really enjoyed it. On this 50 Stack Challenge, we get to use whatever ephemera we want to make. So I'm going to do pockets and tags, and she draws a prompt and it's opposites. We do 2 ephemera and the opposites. It's like this week she picked winter and summer. That was on the prompt. So we make an ephemera for winter and we make an ephemera for summer. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 2. And check out 50 Stack Challenge while you're at it. So without further ado, let's get started. here's the first week done. I've got my winner. In both pockets I made an extra pocket you can use, and I've got my tags, but I got my winter and I've got my summer, and I really like how they turned out. I think they're pretty, and I feel like with these images you just can't go wrong. Now these I accidentally printed on photo paper, and although I'm not keen on the shiny because it was the glossy paper, I love how vivid the images are. But I think they're both beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. And 50 Stack Challenge. So until next time, y'all have a great and wonderful day. Bye, y'all.